How to leave a team on Royal Match. Hello friends, in this tutorial you'll be learning how you can leave a team on Royal Match. First step, log in into your Royal Match account just like I've done here. Then move to the bottom part of the screen where you can see some tabs such as the leaderboard. You can see other options as well. Then the next step is to move to the right side and click on the Teams tab. And so once you click on the teams tab, I'm sure for you to want to leave a team, you're already on a team and you've reached level 21, right? So once you've done that on this page, you'll see all of your teams here. So the next step is to select the team that you would like to leave and tap on the team info. And so after clicking on the team info, you'll be taken to the team infos page. On this page, you'll see a lot of options. Just go ahead and select leave team. All right, just select the option leave team amongst the other options displayed, and then you'll be asked if you're sure that you want to leave the team. Select yes, and then just like that, you would be able to leave the team. It's as simple as that. So this is how it works. Just move to the bottom right side, click on the teams icon, select the team you'd like to leave, click on team info. Amongst the options displayed, click on leave team, and you'll be able to leave a team peacefully. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe and leave a thumbs up for this video.